Here's what to expect when you run the code in this LabVIEW project. Here we have FPGA main running on your FPGA target. I'm using simulation mode to quickly evaluate its behavior. Here's how you can select the execution mode, especially setting it to simulation mode. Let's go ahead and run. We see the slow counter increments when the fast counter reaches 10,000. This enables the reset of the fast counter. For interest, let's convert the single cycle timed loop to a conventional loop. Now we see that the slow counter never increments because it requires several clock cycles per iteration, and it completely misses when the fast counter reaches 10,000. One fix for this would be, instead of testing for equality for 10,000, let's change this so that way it's testing to see whether or not it's greater than or equal to 10,000. And now we're back to the expected operation.